What's going on, guys? Danny Hack here with KECO Body Repair Products. In this video, we're going to answer some of the most common objections or questions that a lot of customers have. Now, when GPR first came onto the scene, one of the most common asked questions was, is GPR strong enough to replace my stud welder? Now, with the years have passed and tons of content we have created, training we've done, social media posts we have made, shops actually buying the system, using it themselves, that is no longer a question anymore. But just to make it clear to you that GPR can pull up anywhere up to 1,500 pounds all the way to 2,200 pounds of pulling pressure and more. So to answer your question, is GPR strong enough? Well, the proof's in the pudding. It definitely is.
So can you PDR? Yes, you can absolutely PDR with the GPR system, with the KECO system. Although we do like to separate PDR from GPR, simply because unfortunately sometimes the message can be diluted, especially when you start looking at smaller tabs within the system. A lot of people look at those to say, well, I'm not doing PDR, so I don't need the small tabs. The small tabs are absolutely part of the GPR system, because you're going to have to, once that big dent's removed, it's going to be formatted with a lot of little dents, and you're going to need to be able to go in there and pull those little dents out. So yes, the continuum is more the answer to that. Where in the continuum do you wish to be? But yes, you can use it as a standalone PDR or a standalone GPR system.
Common question we get asked is, can we pull bare metal? And absolutely you can. When working with bare metal, we just want to clean that paint off. We don't always have a perfect paint surface to work off of, so sometimes we have to go to bare metal. We just want to clean the rest of that paint off with a Scotch-Brite Rolock disc, honeycomb wheel, just something that's not too abrasive. And then we want to sand that metal with 600 grit, 800 grit, just to get a smooth surface, so we have a smooth surface for our glue to sit in when using GPR.
That is absolutely the pinnacle of the GPR system in that sense. Aluminium and electric vehicles, they're both problem items within the shops that we service every day. And yes, aluminium and glue pull are just a match made in heaven. The reason that is the case is because the surface area, we're not point loading our pulls, so we don't run the risk of ripping or tearing the aluminium. So we have a much larger footprint, so we can get very, very healthy pulls. We do have some dedicated tabs that are designed specifically for aluminium, as well as our blue nylon, which is a heat retaining material that is exceptionally good for aluminium as well. So yeah, 100% aluminium is the perfect partner for GPR.
Another common question we get is, do we offer demonstrations? And absolutely, we offer a virtual online demonstration going over all the tools, the glue pull repair process, and to answer any questions you might have about the KECO GPR system. Call the number below to sign up for your free KECO demonstration, and we will get you scheduled.
Another one of the most commonly asked questions is, do we offer training? We have multiple options when it comes to GPR training. One of our options is going to be on-site training. That's where we fly one of our technicians out to your location where we train your techs for a day. Now, one of the great benefits of that option is that not only does your techs learn how to glue pull, but we actually work on live damage. So we're generating you guys money while you're getting the training. Now, we're one of the only companies that'll actually do that, and that is because we're confident not only in our training, but also in our system. And we also offer another option where you can have your shop fly to us for our training here in Oklahoma City. Now, this is going to be a full day training course, just like if we went to your shop. Now, the cool benefit of that is the guys get to be kind of disconnected from the shop so they can come here and be focused straight on glue pull repair. Now, if you want your guys to deep dive into the depths of GPR, we also offer a 5-day training course. This is going to be our GPR Plus training. Our 5-day GPR Plus training is going to take your guys as close as possible to that fillerless repair. Now, there is a last option for you guys. Now, we do offer online Zoom training. All right, so that's where we send out a link to you guys. You click on it. I'll be standing in this same location running you through the 6C process, the tools, the tabs, just to get you guys really familiar with the tools. So if there's any other questions you guys might need, feel free to reach out to us.
What's going on, everybody? Scott Staten with KECO Body Repair Products. One of the questions we get a lot is about warranty, and it's something that people don't really know about KECO Body Repair Products. We have a lifetime warranty on all our tools and tabs. The only thing you're not going to see a warranty on is some of those small finish tabs and crease tabs, but anything else, talking about our K-bar, K-beam, anything like that, if you have an issue with it, give us a call. We're here to help. We're going to take care of that problem for you, and we stand behind our products because we know how well they work and the quality we put into them. So anytime you have an issue, give us a call right here at 888-532-6822, or you can go to KECOTabs.com, hit the contact form for warranty, send us an email, we'll get right on it.
Now, the real age-old question is, what is the difference between a level 1 and a level 2? Now, the level 1, it is a great system. Don't get me wrong. It's a great system to get you into glue pull repair. Now, it is limited to what you can actually do with it. It's great for roughing out large damage, but listen, once you get a dent roughed out, you're limited to the tools that are in the system to complete it even further. Now, this is where it comes into the level 2, one that I'm very passionate about. I love the level 2. I always preach the level 2E. Now, this system is a complete work cell. It's going to allow you to take a repair from large, complex, all the way down to a flat finish. And honestly, it allows you to take that repair as far as you want to take it. Now, it's going to come with pretty much every tool that we offer. We put it into one large system. We're the only company out there that has a system with this much capabilities to it. So when it comes to choosing what's the difference between level 1 and level 2, level 1 is great for roughing out. It's a great system to get you introduced in the glue pull repair. The level 2 is a complete work cell.
Another question we get here at KECO Body Repair Products is, how much does our GPR collision system cost? If you're talking about our full L2E system, it's right at $5,000. If you think that's steep, you really have to consider all the aspects of that. It's going to replace multiple pieces of equipment in your shop. It's going to handle anything from large damage all the way to finite, smaller damage, where you can even save blend panels with your systems. If you look at the system and get a full view of it, it's a complete work cell. It's got all the tools you're going to need to take that damage and minimize it so you can get that small skim coat, get it into the paint booth as quick as possible. That's going to create efficiency for your shop. It's going to create efficiency for your technicians. Everybody's going to enjoy it. It's really an investment you can count on. Another common question we get here at KECO is, how do you purchase a KECO GPR system? The easiest way is going to be going to KECOTabs.com. You'll find it right on the main page, our L2E system. You can go right through and make your purchase. But don't forget, there's all kinds of other resources on our site. We've got all kinds of videos, how-tos. The biggest piece, you're going to see our 6C process, and that's going to make your system very successful. You can also purchase training, which we can help you through and help you understand how to make that system be most efficient for your shop. But the other thing is, once you place that order, we're here, we've got inventory ready to go, and we're going to get that system out right away for you. You can count on KECO to meet all your needs and get your system there as quick as possible.